make it brief. My drive to the gym got a lot shorter, so I'm talking a lot less. Street racing. So family cruising gets arrested for street racing. He gets like 26 or 27 counts of street racing, which is just insane. And 1 count of child endangerment because he had a kid in the automobile when he did it. I'm a firm believer that when you're going to break the law, maybe don't film it. I understand that a lot of YouTubers do, and I understand that a lot of people really love that kind of footage, and oh, I'm going to Mexico, and blah, 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 blah. But at the end of the day, you are breaking the law, you are filming you breaking the law, and you are giving anybody who needs leverage on you all the leverage they could ever ask for. And he apparently was in a lawsuit with his dealership because he blew up his car and they wouldn't warranty it. So the rumor is that the dealership actually went to the police. Well, the dealership has the right to do that if they know about your channel and they know you're doing a lot of illegal stuff, but they have every right to use that against you because you're trying to get them to pay for something that they're also not responsible for. So that's the give and take of the whole situation. And I find it hard to believe that people are getting caught doing illegal things, filming illegal things, and sharing illegal things, but now all of a sudden you're supposed to feel really bad for them. For example, like if you rob a bank, if you physically assault somebody and you film it, if you break the law and you film it, ooh, I don't want to go this way. We're going to take the long way around because it's backed up. It's okay, it gives us more time to talk. So you film these acts of clearly illegal activity, and now all of a sudden you're a bad person because you filmed it, but then you film yourself street racing and that makes you really cool. I mean, since day one, I know I like to throttle the car a little bit, I play with the car a little bit, I do some stuff with the car that's fun, but I don't street race, I don't speed excessively. I'll just, you know, blip if I'm passing or whatever. I mean, I take my car to the racetrack because it is a race car and I want to race car it. Like, it's very, very simple, and I can never have a repercussion of getting a speeding ticket for filming myself doing 200 kilometers an hour in this automobile, which is 120 miles an hour, because there's no repercussions. I'm on a track, there's no speed limit, I'm supposed to go fast. And I'm then taking all the danger off everybody around me, and I'm going to just enjoy the experience. I just find it unbelievable how much people, they defend people breaking the law and putting their kid in the back seat while they're doing it. Like, at what point is it too much? And I know a big name that comes out every time is Street Speed 717, because the guy posts himself doing the most obnoxious speeds. And he gets pulled over from the cops all the time because of illegal mods, or he's speeding or whatever, and it's always, oh man, you know, the cops. And it's like, I mean, at what point do you not understand that what you're doing maybe is too far? Like, do you need to be doing that? I drive a fast car, nothing like they drive, but I could very easily be doing the same thing, but instead I choose to put cruise control on, be responsible, because if somebody got hurt, if Family Cruising's son if they got in an accident and his son got hurt, I mean, how's he gonna feel if his son got paralyzed? He's now a paraplegic, he's in a wheelchair, and it's like, well, you know, I didn't think anything would happen. Of course not. And you don't want it to, but you're putting yourself in a situation where the likelihood just keeps going out. I mean, if you want to race and you want to have all these rival bets and all that, go to the freaking racetrack. It's simple. It's very simple. And I think people get too lured into this when they go buy cars, because it's like, you know, for what you could pay for a fully equipped Camaro 2SS convertible, you can find a good deal on a new Hellcat, and you can have a Hellcat. You can have 700 horsepower for the price of 460. And it's like, at what point is the power enough? I'm driving in snow right now in a 40 kilometer zone. I'm doing 34 kilometers an hour. And it's like, do I have enough power to do this? Absolutely. When I'm on the highway, do I have enough power? Absolutely. But people get too much into, oh, well, the guy on Instagram, he's got 12 million horsepower, and he could blow the skirt off his neighbor when he leaves his driveway. Congratulations. I mean, have fun with your cars. That's what we do. I love hearing about people's cars and sharing and experiencing all of it. But at what point does safety become a factor, and maybe people dying or getting injured or losing their licenses, getting thrown in jail, all this public embarrassment? When does it just become too far and maybe we're not going to condone and celebrate it? Again, I'm going to pass this off to you guys. What do you guys think? When does enough become enough? So that's my jiffy for the day. I hope you all are having a great day, to be honest. I had a really good day. I got off work early. It's 4:27. I'm already headed to the gym, and that never happens. 4:27, that's another magic number. Oh. Until next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave, as always. For being a super slow, you sure know how to dance.